How to copy and share Twitch profile link. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Chrome browser on your device over here, you can go for any browser that you have, and then on the search bar, all you need to do is just search for Twitch application. So just tap on the search bar and search for Twitch. Now as you tap on Twitch, make sure that you're logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now the homepage will look something like this. Now if you want to copy the Twitch profile link, simply you have to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now as you tap on it, you'll be able to see your profile. So just tap on your profile again over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to get your link over here at the search bar. So just tap on it and copy the link. Now you can just share this link to whoever you would want. Here I'm going to show you for Telegram application over here. I'm going to share it to someone on Telegram. So as I've already copied the link, I'm just going to tap on any of the profile over here and then paste the link and then send it. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.